How to use Walmart gift card online from Canada. In order to redeem the gift card from Canada, what you can do is, in order to do that procedure, first of all, you need to open up a web browser. Make sure that you already have a Walmart account of Canada. So for that, you need to type in walmart.com.ca or just type walmart.ca on the web address bar. Make sure that you already have an account. To redeem your gift card, you can simply use it as a way of payment method while making a purchase. So first of all, what you can do is select the product that you wish to purchase. So for now, I'm just gonna select a random product. So let's go with this one. So tap on add to cart. After the product added to the cart, just tap on the card. You can locate it in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Now it's gonna take you to the checkout page. Here you can just go ahead and tap on the continue to checkout. After that, it's going to take you to the review details page. So you can go through the review orders such as the price, necessary items, your shipping details and all that. Once added the shipping details and all that, head over to main section. On this page, you need to scroll down a bit. As you can see, all sort of card is accepted on this particular website. In order to use the gift card, type in the card number, click on the continue button. Then you'll be asked to provide in the PIN as well as the security code, and you also need to select the type of card that you've actually provided. So what you need to do is you need to select the type of card that you've provided and click on the continue button, and then you've successfully redeemed your gift card. So in this way, you can redeem the Canadian gift card on Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.